DP-60 Dental Air Polisher with AH1 anti-blockage and water-air separation handpiece. The brand new powder tank is transparent, makes it easier to monitor remaining powder. Product installation. Insert the bottle into the slot above the main unit. The amount of sand powder added should be controlled between max and min, marked on the tank. Tighten the sand tank cover and insert into the sand tank seat just above the main unit. Connect the external air hose to the rear air inlet port on the main unit. Connect the power adapter, ensuring a secure connection. Insert the wired foot switch, plug into the wired foot switch interface, then turn on the power. Insert the air polishing handpiece into the handpiece socket and place the handpiece on the right bracket. Product operation. Click the slider to adjust the water output volume. Rotate the powder output adjustment knob to regulate powder output volume. Press the foot switch. Instruments start and stop. Product maintenance. Click the button C to clean. Wait for 15 seconds to complete the cleaning. Attach sandblaster adapter. Press nozzle to handpiece for high-pressure backflow. Pull out and drying the handle. Open the sterilization cassette. Place the handpiece into designated positions. Remove the sand jar. Pour out the remaining powder. Clean the remaining powder. Drying the base. Unscrew the bottle body. Unscrew the valve body. Drying the bottle body. Drying the valve body. Screw back the valve body and bottle body.